ransomware. This is not a negotiation.
I was not speaking to a human. It was AI chatbot on behalf of the hacker, which didn't even negotiate with me.
This week, Dr. Erdal Ozkaya joins the show. He is a Chief Information Security Officer, a former Microsoft cybersecurity expert, and a man who has seen the future of hacking.
Think your biometrics are safe? Think again.
They call the CEO's voice. The call help desk. You enforce and bypass the security.
It's not a matter of if, but when.
If they don't change the mindset, if they don't get assured they're gonna get hacked, guess what? They're gonna get hacked. Write it down. If not today, tomorrow. I hope I will be wrong.
And the biggest vulnerability isn't your computer. It's in your pocket.
Your phone knows exactly where you are at the moment. Your phone, you probably asked a question to your AI assistant that you could not ask your wife.
But the real danger might be the solution Australia just voted for.
So I'm going to share my idea with TikTok. And what does Australia's and America's biggest concern are Chinese state-owned company. Now I'm giving my idea to those organizations. So what if tomorrow Facebook or Meta gets sold to a Chinese company? So this is going to bring up issues.
Full episode drops this Wednesday. Subscribe to Dumb Ways to get hacked.